Hey, welcome to New Mexico Desert Classics. So if you've spent any time on the channel, you know this is Luigi. Luigi's a 73 Fiat 500R with 60,000 original kilometers, original paint, interior, everything. And today we're going to swap out the battery because Luigi doesn't get driven often, but in fact he hasn't been registered since like 2019. But he's going to a trunk or treat today because my high school junior daughter asked to use Luigi, so I'm going to take him to the trunk or treat. Everybody loves him. A good friend of mine once said there's no such thing as a shortcut. If it was actually better, cheaper, faster, it would be known as the way. Typically, I agree with him. Batteries, I disagree. The battery is really easy to change out in this, but as little as he gets driven, you know, the cheapest battery these days for an automotive battery is 100 to 150 bucks, right? And if Luigi's just going to sit here and we're going to burn through the life of a battery, that's wasteful. So instead, I use $30 300 cold cranking amp EverStart lawn batteries from Walmart. So today we're going to just step through how to swap that out. Kind of a hack in a positive way, not a negative way. So follow along. So everything on Luigi is all original. And let's get the spare tire out of the way here. Yes, those are literally steel threads coming out the side of that. All right, we're gonna pull. This is one of the coolest things ever. It's the original bulb, replacement bulb pack. This. All right, so I'm going to try and get you guys down in here a little better, but what I'll probably do, all I'm doing is pulling the battery cables, but I'm going to show you after I get this out how I have it set up so that I can still put a normal battery in it. Okay, so hopefully you can see this in light here. All I actually did on the end of the positive cable was spread, so I wanted to be able to leave this original ending on the cable, so all I did was spread the end casting here. So then when I drop it over the lawn battery size connectors, I just put the bolt through and it clamps it from both sides, makes fantastic connection, holds really tight, and keeps the battery charging. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. We're going to put this back on. And I have not checked yet to see if I was successful. I can't see any reason why I wouldn't have been, but we shall see. So in reality, what I do is basically replace the battery just about every year, which may sound wasteful, but in the end, I end up with a reliable battery and I don't overinvest in it, so. All right, original spare tire retainer. Time to fire it up. All right, here goes nothing. A little choke. All right, the battery definitely is doing its job. Luigi just hasn't been started in a while. What am I forgetting here? There we go. All right, so that was more than a little bit embarrassing. I managed to flood Luigi while I was trying to get him started. What I found was I had actually, the choke cable has seized. So finally did get him started, but I'm gonna have to be working on that, which is a problem with when you let a car set. So, but battery installed and Luigi's going to do trunk or treat. So thanks for watching, have a great day.